In this video, we go through Excel's average formula. There are three formulas in the average group. They are average, AVERAGEIF, and AVERAGEIFS. In this tutorial, we will guide you through all three, starting with average. In this example, we have daily sales data. To get an average of the daily sales, we can use the average formula. In the cell where you want the average, start by typing in an equal sign, followed by average. Then select the range containing the total daily sales. Close the bracket and press the Enter key. The average daily sales will be displayed. This is simple enough. It's the average of daily sales for all products and salespersons. What if we want average sales of a particular product? If you notice, sales for Quantum Glow LED lamp occurs on 3 different days. How do we calculate the average sales for just this product? There are 2 ways we can get the average for this product. Use the average formula, but instead of selecting the entire range, select only the cells with sales for Quantum Glow LED lamps separating each with a comma. This will give you the average sales for Quantum Glow LED lamps. A better way of arriving at this result would be to use the AVERAGEIF formula instead. The first part of the AVERAGEIF formula is the range that contains the criteria you need. In this example, we need average sales for Quantum Glow LED lamp, which can be found in column C. Next, we need to provide the criteria, which is Quantum Glow LED lamps. Finally, we need to provide the range of values for calculating the average. Complete the formula by closing the bracket and pressing Enter. The AVERAGEIF formula is a more efficient way than using the average formula. Now, what if we want the average sales by salesperson and product? This is where the AVERAGEIFS formula comes in useful. For instance, if we want average sales of Quantum Glow LED lamp brought in by Amira Abdullah. Amira has sales of other products as well, but we only want an average of her Quantum Glow LED lamp sales. When we have multiple criteria, we can use the AVERAGEIFS formula. Unlike the AVERAGEIF formula, with AVERAGEIFS, you specify the range that contains the values you need first. Next, specify the first criteria range. In this example, we want the results for a specific salesperson, and the values are in column B. Then enter the name of the salesperson. For the second criteria, we are looking for Quantum Glow LED lamp, which can be found in column C. Then enter the second criteria. Close the bracket and press Enter to view the result. You now know how to use average, AVERAGEIF and AVERAGEIFS. See you in our next video.